Good day! Welcome to the second module of the Electrical Installation and Maintenance NC2 online class. Performing roughing-in activities, wiring and cabling works for single-phase distribution, power, lighting, and auxiliary system. I am Lina L. Antonio, your EIM NC2 trainer for this module. This module has 4 units that cover the knowledge, skills, and attitudes needed to install metallic and non-metallic conduits, install wireways and cable trays, and auxiliary terminal cabinets and distribution panels, and perform wiring and cabling layout.